Well, it's the Wandering Canucks, and we have arrived in Fiji, and we are taking a private transfer to our resort, which is on a island about 45 minutes away from Nadi, where we landed. This country has over 300 islands. There's a lot of boats here at the port, a lot of large ferries.
Okay, guys. Once again, welcome on board. Just to let you know, I'm checking the ladies' seats. And about 45 minutes boat ride from here to Mexico. If you have any question while we are making our way to your please do not hesitate to ask. And we hope that you will
Stay tuned for more adventures. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. It's the Wandering Canucks.